Okay, so I have basically a romantic and a dramatic look that I am doing for special events. You know, it is bridal month. We're doing all kinds of content related to this. So I've been using this Huda Beauty, the new Nude palette, and I wanted to show you how you could go from kind of like a minimalistic look, and whether you had to just go straight to your special event, what you could do to just add on to it to either get the minimalistic look, a more sort of romantic-y look, and then a really dramatic look using the same palette. And I'm actually just going to keep adding on to what I have on my face. So this is sort of the minimal look. We have a little bit of lash, a little thin bit of liner, very light on the cheeks, no highlighter, no bronzer, no nothing like that. And then we're going to be adding on. So this is the look number 1. There's a full video with all 3 looks together and how I did them, but this is where we're starting, and then I will come back with the second look. Okay, I am back, and this is the romantic version of the Huda Beauty bridal look. I did a full video showing you how you can use one palette. I started with a minimal look. I added to get this romantic type look. So I didn't take anything off. I just added to it. So sometimes you have a special event to go to and you like worked all day and then you need to go. This will show you how you can just add to whatever you have going on and take it up a notch. And then the third look will be the dramatic. So this is where we're at with romantic, and I'm loving it so much. And yeah, so check out the full video to see the entire tutorial on the whole thing. And yeah, so this is for romance. Okay, last but not least, this is the final of the 3 looks that I did using the Huda palette, new Nude palette. Minimal look for your wedding or special event, sort of romantic type look, and then this glam look. It was a progression type of scenario, so you're going to want to check out the complete video. This is the final super glam, ready to go look. I am in love with this look so much. So if you want to know all the deets, watch the full video. Okay, bye.